Today I'm going to show you how to log into SEKNFIND. So first you'll want to go to your internet and you'll go to the search bar and type in www.seknfind.org and press enter. And then you'll want to log in, and for this you will need your library card or just your library card number, and you'll go here to log into your account, type in your full library card number, and then your password is going to be the last 4 digits of your library card number. Now this will not work if your card is expired, and if it is expired you can call us and we will renew it for you, and then you'll be able to log in. So then you'll just press login here, and from here it takes you to your summary page, and you can see anything that you've put on hold. If you click here, and it shows when you put the hold and where you're going to pick it up at, and if it's still on its way or if it's arrived. You can also see if you have any fines due. You can change your password. You'll need your current password, which is the last 4 digits of your library card number. And then you'll hit your new password in here and then retype it and press change password. You can also see your search history, anything that you've read, and any of the personal details that we have on file for you. You can update it from here as well. To search the catalog, you'll click here. Type in whatever you want to be searching for, and then you can click here and search a specific library. We're going to do Coffeyville, and then you'll press go, and it might take a few minutes. It has a lot to load. Okay, and from here it shows you everything that comes up that would be available to you. And you'll go just find what you want, and I am going to add this to my cart. You can also just place a hold from here, but I'm going to show you how to place several holds at once. And we'll add that to your cart, and that. And then if you want to, you can place hold, and it brings you to this page. It shows you where you need to pick it up at. And we're going to confirm hold. And it shows you here. Now I'm actually going to cancel this because I don't really want to receive it. But now you know how to cancel a hold if you don't want that item. And you can also go up here to your cart, and we'll make that bigger. And it shows you everything in your cart. You can press the little squares over here on the side, or if you want all, and there's a lot of them, you can just press select all or clear all. We're going to select all. And then you'll press place hold here. Or if you would like to remove them, you can remove them. And I'm going to go ahead and remove them so they don't get ordered, because this is just a demonstration. You can also create lists. We've got a list here called new books that I've created. You can click on it and see any books that you've added to it. There's also a list up here, And you can click on these. These are lists other people have created that you can browse. And I think that's about it. I hope this helps. And we're going to go ahead and log out.